So, while us Cornell Cooperative Extension Marine Programs educators are busy creating online lesson plans to share, I thought I would take a few moments to share a fun and easy project that you could do at home with children or without children. So I'm going to show you a fun and easy project. We're going to create some fish and learn some basic fish anatomy. So let's have at it. All right, Mr. Magoo, move over. His name is really George. Sorry, buddy. Here, you hold this. Do something, okay? All right, so I folded the paper in half, and then I'm going to fold one half back down again, and that's it. So now we're going to start drawing our fish. So I'm going to start with the mouth, and the center of the mouth should be right on this center line. I'm going to draw, my fish is going to have some nice big lips. So we got our lips, and then the fish's body, and then the caudal fin or the tail fin. And then we have the dorsal fin. We could have a second dorsal fin if we'd like. And then I'm going to have my pelvic fin and the anal fin, and then the pectoral fin. Eye, nares or nostrils, and I'm going to have the lateral line, which all fish have. So we'll get into a little bit more depth about what all of these parts of the fish anatomy actually do for the fish. But we're just going to have some fun right now and get creative. So there's my little fish. All right, cool. But now we're going to open this up, and we're going to connect this fish mouth like this, and we're going to connect the fish tail like this and continue the fish line, the tail details, and then the pectoral fin. We need to fix that also. And then I think for something fun, I'm going to give this guy some big teeth. All right, and then that's it. And then you can outline with permanent marker if you want. Not doing a very good job, but that's okay. Just doing this for fun. And then you can go ahead and color it in. And these markers here. Let's see. Kind of looks like a clown nose. Oh, what color shall you be? Let's see. Let's make you purple. And obviously you could take as much time as you would like coloring this in. You could even use paint. Some of you kids that have done this program or have done some classes with us have done this project, and we've used watercolor paper and these markers as watercolors, which is a lot of fun. That's something I can show you in the near future. All right, so that's my fish. But the fun part is now, when you fold it back up, it looks like this sweet little innocent fish, but he's got some big teeth. And you could also, if you want, you could put something on the inside. Put another fish in there if you want. Tail fin. We've got the dorsal fin, the pelvic fin, the anal fin, the pectoral fin, eyes, mouth. And that fish is going in there and he's going to go jump, 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 jump. So, there you have it. Fun, fun. All right, tune back. We're going to have some other things for you soon. Hope you enjoyed.